Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introducing my name is Rosmini, usually called Husna. In this video, I will discuss about matter and changes, which is an English course segment for chemistry. Well, to find out what matter and exchanges are, let's see video until it's finished. Now, before discussing about matter and its changes, I will first discuss the beginning of chemistry. The beginning of chemistry was introduced by an Islamic scientist named Jabir ibn Hayyan in 720 AD to 815 AD. He introduced the word all chemistry, which means changes in matter. That's why chemistry is closely related to matter. Let me talk about matter next. Matter can be defined as something that has mass and also occupies space. Or in other words, when we study chemistry, we will study the composition of matter itself, which consists of the composition matter, the structure of matter, the properties of matter, the reaction of the changes in matter, and the energy that accompanies the changes. The first is the material composition of this material is divided into three, namely there are elements of compounds and mixtures. Secondly, there is the structure of matter, which includes a material constituent particle or describes how the atoms of the material are interrelated. Thirdly, there is the nature of matter. Now, we know that water is a liquid. If the temperature is increased, it will evaporate or produce gas. However, if the temperature is lowered, it will turn into a solid. A gas that turns into a solid is called crystallizing. Conversely, if it turns into a liquid, it is called condensing, while a solid that turns into a gas is called sublimating. And finally, there are material reactions, which are divided into two, namely there are physical reaction and chemical reaction. The difference between the two, namely that physical reactions are temporary, while chemical reactions are permanent. Both reactions, both physical and chemical, will occur energy that accompanies the change. I will discuss from physical reactions that are temporary. For example, there are compounds that are liquid. When the temperature is lowered, the compounds will turn into freezing. And if the temperature is increased, the compound that was initially frozen will turn into a liquid. That is what is called a physical reaction. Furthermore, chemical reactions are permanent. For example, reaction of rusty iron. Iron that has rusted cannot necessarily return to iron that has not rusted. Another example is photosynthesis, where carbon dioxide meets water to form sugar and oxygen. How about friends? Have you understood about material exchanges? Must have understood, right? Well, that's all the video from me. Thank you for watching. Apologize if there is a word or writing error. See you next time.